What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another great video. And in this video, we will be doing an embroidery patch. And the patch that we will be stitching out is a character from a early 2000s cartoon TV show, which would be the Proud family. And the character that we are doing is, in my eyes, I would say it's the main character, which is Penny Proud. So we will be doing a Penny Proud patch. I guess say that 3 times, I guess. But we will be doing a Penny Proud patch. And hopefully I'll probably do more characters from the Proud family. But for now, we're just going to do a Penny Proud patch. If I can get that together. So we will be stitching that out today. And not going to take too long. Say 40 minutes, but you already know how the videos want to go, so it's not going to be too long, but got to stay strong. So let's get into it right now. I already have everything laid out as far as the thread and stabilizer, as well as the linen cloth. So everything is good and ready to go. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Sorry if it's hard to kind of see the stitches. I am using a light linen cloth. It's not exactly white, but it's like an off-white linen cloth, and I'm using white thread so you can't see it. But once the other colors pop in, then you'll be able to see it perfect. And just real quick on a side note, what was your favorite TV show as far as in the late or early 2000s? Because I know we had a lot of good TV shows as far as on either Disney, Cartoon Network, or Nickelodeon. But Cartoon Network did have some good shows. And so, you know, go ahead and down in the comment section, what was some of your good shows that you can remember? Like I said, in the early 2000s. So put that down in the comment section below, guys. Also, too, guys, let me know who was your favorite character in the Proud family. Personally, I think mine was, it's kind of tough because I had a couple of characters that was dope. But I want to say, of course, Oscar, the father. I think he was a cool character, real funny. And that was played by Tommy Davidson. So great actor as well. And also on a side note, I also just found out that the actor for the character Wizard Kelly, that was played by Ari Spears. And that's another one of my favorite great comedians. One of the greatest comedians I'll ever listen to and watch. So he is cool and real knowledgeable too, but funny comedian. I never knew that he played Wizard Kelly. And also, real quick down in the comments, let me know. I really want to see you guys' opinion. Let me know if you ever saw Wizard Kelly's face. Now, I was told they showed his face once before. I don't know when, but I'll have to look it up. But let me know if you guys ever saw his face. Like, seriously, let me know, guys, because I want to see what you guys say. And if you can let me know what episode, when did they do it, let me know if you saw his face down in the comment section, guys. So guys, real quick, do you guys remember the Proud Family movie? I think that was one of the best Proud Families I've ever seen. The movie was dope. It was the one scene where, I know a lot of people probably remember, I don't know, where the Peanuts, they started to do like a dance battle between Penny Proud and her friends. When I say I can't stop laughing at that scene, I mean, it's funny. It was dope, especially how they was dancing. And they had Zoe going crazy. But it's just funny, man. When I say, like, I really do remember and always reminisce over, like, back in the days, the great TV shows and stuff they had out. It's real, and they don't make them like they used to. That's all I can say, man. So just wanted to add something real quick, while y'all watch the video. So definitely stay tuned, guys. And real quick as well, if you're still watching, go ahead, do me a huge favor and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Now I hope this is somewhat close to the shirt that she wear. I was really indecisive on colors right now, so I just went ahead and went with the default that was already at the program. So didn't know which one to pick, but I guess this will work. Alright guys, let me know down in the comment section so far, how is this video going? Does it look like her? Let me know, guys, down in the comment section. So this is the last color, which is the black, so all of the detail will be popping out soon, so you guys will see that. So okay, so right now I'm just cutting this jump stitch. Let me bag the camera up so I can get in here. Perfect. Let's get back into it. So the design is done. So what I will do, sorry about that, I really hit the camera hard. So what I will do is go ahead and take everything out and show you guys the final result. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Penny proud? Yes, no, maybe so. What do you guys think? Looks great. Came out good. Like I said, I was really indecisive on what I wanted to do with the jacket part, but I think it came out all right. So not really upset about that. Definitely stay tuned to the videos, guys. And once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And as always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.